As long as you lift it from behind, you're good.
Hey, I'm trying to help you out.
Yeah, just get it off.
Here's a fun tortoise fact. Tortoises actually like to get scratched and pet on the back of their shells, and that's because they feel it just like we do. Their backbone and ribs are fused to the inside of their shell.
Sometimes I get, what you looking at? Sometimes I try to come over here, right? I just to like mess around with this, fix it or whatever may be the case. And I put my hand here. Mind you, there's a whole ass snapping turtle ready to, oh shit. Take my finger. You see, that took me a long time to get one of these soft shells. But as you can see, as wet and muddy as I am, jumped in the water and grabbed me one beautiful, healthy, soft shell turtle. Now these guys have super long necks, and if it wanted to, oh, but it's not going to. It's already